Today we're making black tea cake. It's a twist on the classic chocolate cake and you don't waste any leftover tea. You need 3 eggs, 250 grams sugar, 1 package of vanilla sugar, 200 milliliters oil, 200 milliliters black tea, about 350 gram flour, a package of baking powder, and 20 grams of cacao. Crack your eggs and add the sugar and vanilla sugar into a bowl. Mix it until the sugar dissolves more or less and pour the oil. Add the baking powder into the flour, stir it a bit and start adding it into the dough. Pour the black tea and the rest of the flour in as well. I add the flour in my videos gradually as I don't want to have the flour flying around and especially at my camera. At the very end, you add the cacao, mix it a bit more and get your pan of choice out. I wanted mine to be a bit thin as I wanted to share them with many people. But of course, you can bake it in a smaller one and enjoy the cake thicker. Bake at about 170 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes. An important tip here, if your black tea was really strong and you are sensitive to caffeine, you might have a hard time sleeping if you eat this in the evening. Otherwise, enjoy. All the information for this recipe is in the description below, along with different types of measurements and other information. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to like and subscribe.